eyes on me, wanna know about me. A, B, are the K. Hey, wake up this morning, look in the mirror, hustle the reflection of my fear. Light up one, puff it up. Light up one, pass it out. Me not no care. Zim where me come from. My mama grew up in the ghetto with me at the same time floating. My stage name is Bstar. I come from Spinge, but I grew up in Bulawayo. It was because of my uncle. He sent me a clip of Culture Studios through Facebook. The meaning is just opening up for everyone to listen to you in a way that, for example, there's this chorus that says, open up the cage, let them go. Pit Army mess up with the dog bite. If you open up the cage for someone who's wild and you mess up with him, you're gonna get bitten.
Mount Zion music.
Open up the cage, let them go. Pit Army mess up with the dog bite. Uza maiva koku busy Bstar. Watamba never vengi, watove mundi. Simuka tiende, diri mujendi. Famba never vengi, watove mundi. Mount Zion, that people Fulela magos, awuzi mene. Kulture Riddim, idlozi lehlabela. Load 323 sibashaya ngesindidi. Kumbula sko wise. Ngikhulele lokishini, ilokishini culture. Ngifakela amabhiya sayidini sibangene. Tambira ikure mutisira, kure siyaba gena. Open up the cage, let them go. Pit Army mess up with the dog bite. Open up the cage, let them go. Pit Army mess up with the dog bite. Anything soul or the flesh. Anything soul or the flesh. Killing a tradition, my style. Busy made the people lyrically. Now, back to the dark. I'm darker than the rest of them in the dark. All about mine now. Back to the dark. I'm darker than the rest of them in the dark. Blood glad. Open up the cage. Volley page. If you mess with me, lungs pop. Hey, open up the cage. Volley page. If you mess with me, lungs pop. Open up the cage, let them go. Pit Army mess up with the dog bite. Open up the cage, let them go. Pit Army mess up with the dog bite. Anything soul or the flesh. Anything soul or the flesh. Killing a tradition, my style. Busy made the people lyrically. Now, watamba never vengi, watove mundi. Simuka tiende, diri mujendi. Pamba never vengi, watove mundi. Mount Zion.